What element makes a website usable? Watch this video to the end to learn how to make your site more attractive and valuable, so your visitors stay and return to your site in the future. Today's video is about the search element, which is an essential functionality for any website. We will use the Nicepage application, which you can download and install from nicepage.com. Run Nicepage. Add a new site. Choose any design. The search element is usually located in the header block at the top. You can add this element from the Add panel. Select the header block. Click on the round blue icon. You will see the header section highlighted in the Add panel. Click the search element to add to the header. Drag the search element and align it with the magnetic guides. Resize the header. You can find all available properties of the search element in the Property panel, such as placeholder, size, layout, spacing, and more. Click the search element to select and resize the element by dragging the markers. You can also modify the width, height, and position in the Property panel. Round the corners to stylize the search field. Edit the search placeholder by entering "What are you looking for?" You can also translate the search input placeholder if needed, for example in Spanish. We will continue in English. Change the background. Remove the border. Modify the placeholder color and font for the search element if needed. You can also modify the search icon in the icon properties. Edit the width and size properties to get the padding effect for the search icon. Add the fill color to the icon shape. You can show the search in 3 different layouts: field with icon, field, or icon. When a user clicks the search field, you can choose one of 3 on-click actions that animate the search element on your site. You can expand the width of the search element by clicking Preview for testing. Click the search icon in the header to see the effect. The next option is when the box with the expanded search element overlaps the header on click. Preview for testing. Finally, you can overlay the entire screen and expand the search element in the center of the screen. The search results are shown on a page built with the search page template. Open the Templates panel by clicking the icon in the Quick Access pane. Select Search Template and customize the look of your search results page. Preview or publish your site. After publishing, open the site. Enter the search keyword and get results. You can add a search element and customize the search page template directly in WordPress or Joomla. You can export the Nicepage theme with content from the desktop app or online builder and install it on your CMS site. The search element uses the pre-built CMS search features. If you like this video, please click the like icon and subscribe to our channel to receive updates about new videos.